take a look at the second part of the virtual frog dissection.
Look at this leopard frog's external or outside anatomy. The skin is smooth. Its top and bottom sides show different coloration. The top or dorsal side of the leopard frog can be green, gray, or brown. It has paler ridges along the back. Leopard frogs are named for the dark spots on their dorsal surfaces. The bottom or ventral side is usually a solid color. This coloration pattern helps to camouflage the organism both in and out of the water. Frogs have 2 forelimbs and 2 hind limbs. There is a head and a body or torso region. It is very difficult to tell from external appearance if a frog is male or female.
3 sets of terms are used to locate different body parts. These sets of terms are dorsal and ventral, anterior and posterior, and head and torso. Dorsal refers to top or back, while ventral refers to bottom or stomach side. Anterior means towards the front or head end, while posterior means toward the tail or rear end. Head refers to the front or anterior region, while the rest of the body is called its torso.
A frog's skin is smooth and may actually feel slippery due to the presence of mucus formed by cells in the skin. The skin also serves as an organ of respiration, much like lungs. The mucus helps keep the skin moist and aids in respiration. Oxygen can pass into the frog through the skin, and carbon dioxide can pass out.
The location of a frog's eyes on its head allows it to see objects in front as well as to the sides. The anterior end of the head has 2 nostrils. These openings serve as a pathway for air to enter and leave the frog's lungs. A mouth is also present at the anterior end of the head. Just posterior to the eyes are 2 small circular membranes called tympanic membranes. These tympanic membranes pick up sound waves and transmit them to the frog's inner ear, then onto its brain. A small slit or opening at the posterior end of the torso is called the cloaca. It allows for waste materials and eggs or sperm to be discharged from the frog's body.
Forelimbs of frogs are smaller and less muscular than hind limbs. Each forelimb has 4 separate toes. The hind limbs have 5 toes connected by webbing. Webbed hind limbs aid in jumping, hopping, and swimming.